Whether you like the retro look or not, there's no denying the fact that Toyota's new 70 Series Land Cruiser Ute is a pretty mean machine. It's certainly struck a chord with both tradies and off-roaders alike, thanks in part to that turbo diesel V8 under the bonnet, which makes this thing almost unstoppable. Well, most of the time anyway.
Well, that's the last thing we wanted on a hill like this, because there's no way we're going to be able to put the jack under the car, it's too steep. But we've got a little gadget that's going to fix this for us in about 15 minutes.
A puncture kit like this Speedy Seal pack allows us to repair the tyre and get back on the road without even having to find the wheel spanner.
Okay, we found our hole, it's right here. And what we've got to do is get the spike, and we're going to clean out the hole, get any dirt that's got in out, and we're going to separate the steel belts.
The idea here is to clear a path through the hole and to make it easier to get the repair plug in.
You can hear the wire on the spike. Righto, we've prepared our hole. This is our plug and this is our needle. And we're going to thread the plug through the needle, and then we're going to jam it in that hole, and it'll stay there and make that tyre airtight again. And that's it, that hole is plugged.
All that's left now is to reinflate, which is where something like this latest and totally new ARB air compressor comes in very handy.
No, well, we're well on the way now. We'll be out of trouble any minute. Well, we're all good to go. We're fixed. It's a temporary fix, but that'll keep us going for the rest of the day, or the week if need be. But when we get to town, we're going to get it fixed properly.
If you didn't have a Speedy Seal kit or the tyres beyond repair, chances are you're going to have to find some level ground, jack it up and take the wheel off. There are a few different jacks out there that'll save you having to roll around in the dirt. Here's a couple of the most popular models. These high lift jacks have been around since the dawn of time. For good reasons, they're strong and reliable. However, they do take a bit of elbow grease to operate. An easier alternative is one of these Bush Ranger X jacks. Now, it might look like an oversized whoopee cushion, but rest assured, the exhaust jack is capable of lifting up to 4 tonnes without even breaking a sweat. And while we're taking it easy, anyone who's ever done their back in wrestling with a wheel brace will really appreciate this tool.
This won't get you a job with a V8 supercar crew, but for $70 or $80, the Shentai impact wrench is a fantastic way to get wheel nuts undone, especially on a big four-wheel drive.
You can find all the gear we've used today at your nearest ARB store. If you want more product info, then jump on the ARB website, and while you're there, sign up for the latest edition of the 4x4 Action newsletter.